Our last stop on our cruise before our final port destination was Nagasaki, Japan. We were greeted with local musicians in celebration because the Princess cruise ship that we were on was built in Nagasaki. We headed straight to Mount Inasa. We hopped on the ropeway and headed to the top for the amazing views.
Thank you for using the Nagasaki ropeway today. Please enjoy your 1,100-meter-long, 5-minute trip through the sky to the 333-meter peak of Mount Inasa, which is equal to the height of Tokyo Tower. This gondola was designed by the world-famous industrial designer Ken Okuyama, who has also been a designer for Ferrari.
Round-trip tickets cost $11 US. Next, we headed over to the Atomic Bomb Museum. This clock survived and was found in the rubble, and it stopped ticking at the exact time that the bomb went off. Nagasaki became the second city after Hiroshima to be destroyed by the atomic bomb toward the end of World War II. We walked through the Peace Park. The tickets for this museum was $1 US and 82 cents for adults. We walked by a little wharf, looked at the boats, and then we popped our head into a casino. We walked all over this city. The stores and gift shops were beautiful. They have these desserts that are molded into different things, designs of fruits, and they were actually made out of beans. I didn't really care for them that much, but they were very unique and very popular there. We ended up in the tourist area of Glover Garden. We didn't have time to go into the garden, but the grounds surrounding the garden were very beautiful. We continued to wander the city and ended up back at the cruise ship. I think Nagasaki was one of our most favorite cities in all of Asia. It was really beautiful, and seeing the bridge at night is quite spectacular.